We've reported on this before. Thieves breaking into work trucks, trying to get their hands on expensive tools and equipment. And there's a look at some of the mess. Now a Chicago plumber says his business has become the latest target, and he wants to warn others to start protecting themselves. NBC5's Christian Farr live with the story in Lincoln Park for us. Christian.
Good afternoon, Stephen. That plumbing company in question calls Lincoln Park home, but you won't find any signage marking where they're located, and that's because their building and work trucks have both been targeted.
Well, it's always been like a fear, but about 2 years ago, we had to literally move. We had to move out of here because it kept breaking in.
Plumbing company owner Benjamin Vance has been on a mission to warn his fellow plumbers that their industry is being targeted by thieves.
In the past 2 days, one of my friends just got robbed today. I got robbed yesterday.
The Lincoln Park business owner posted this video to social media documenting the times his rescue plumbing crews have been burglarized while on the job. Vance says these police reports list most of the crimes against his crews.
I just felt it was them.
Vance is also on a text thread with other plumbers who let him know when they are being targeted, like this video where the thieves were unsuccessful. Vance knows what they want to steal.
They're primarily going for sewer cameras, reels specifically. They're going for sewer camera monitors. They're going for ProPress machines and anything Milwaukee power tools related.
Vance says those sewer camera reels retail for $10,000 each and says they can go for $1,000 to $2,000 on the black market.
They were masked, they were hooded.
Back in May, Chicago police issued a warning about a burglary crew targeting at least 32 electrical and plumbing businesses, mainly located on the north side.
We got armored trucks running around now.
Vance says he has been forced to add security features to the inside of his work trucks. And on the outside, Vance has added additional locks to all of the doors.
We don't know what we're going to do right now, but all of us plumbers got to get together. The public has to. It's not just plumbers now anymore either. It's HVAC companies, it's truck driving companies, it's everyone.
This has really caused a lot of concern. Something else that Benjamin is not doing, or is doing actually, is not wrapping his trucks with his company name and the phone number, one of his best advertising tools. He's hoping that will keep those thieves away from his work trucks when they're on an emergency call. Reporting live in Lincoln Park, Christian Farr, NBC5 News.
Thank you, Christian.